going to make, actually I'm having an international festival romantic dinner with my wife tonight. We're going to start with Moroccan lamb soup. And what I've got started up here is I've got about a little bit less than a pound of ground or minced lamb, and we're going to cook that along with I had a pretty large red onion, so this is a half of a large red onion chopped. 2 carrots, 2 regular sized carrots chopped. 4 cloves of garlic sliced. And 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. So we're going to cook this up till the meat is cooked and the vegetables are nice and tender. So the lamb's been cooking for 10 minutes. Looks like everything's done. The carrots are softened. They'll finish cooking when we put the broth in. So now I'm going to add 1 can of stewed tomatoes. I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. The recipe called for something called harissa paste, which is a hot pepper, I guess Moroccan paste. I couldn't find any at the store, so we're going to use some of Catherine's garlic chili paste. I got 5 chilies on there, so it's pretty hot. I'm only going to start with a 1/4 teaspoon. You can add, whatever hot heatness you like. You could have just put Tabasco in. So I'm gonna let this heat up, let the carrots continue to cook until they get nice and soft. And then that's gonna be just about it. We'll put some nice garnish on it, and it's really pretty easy, and oh, it tastes so good. The soup has been simmering about 20 minutes, so we should be all ready to go. Looks good. We'll scoop up a little bit.
Hot, beautiful plate.
Yes, we had a budget increase. We got some new plates. We're going to put a little dollop of non-fat yogurt, or if you wanted to, you could use sour cream. I like this. I'm gonna put more. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of lime juice because it adds a good flavor. And then top with some chopped green onions. And the important part, some sliced mint leaves. And there you have it, Moroccan lamb soup. Now, any of you viewers who don't particularly like lamb or never had lamb and you don't want to try it and it's a little more expensive than ground beef, you can try ground beef. I don't know if it takes that much difference, tastes that much difference or not. But hey, if you are fixing dinner for your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend, and you're going to say, "Hey, I'm having Moroccan lamb soup," it's kind of exotic, and so let's take a taste of it. Very, very, very good. Now I'm going to take the camera and let Catherine try it because this is one of her favorite soups.
so good.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you. We're having our international romantic dinner.
Yes. Thank you. This is mine.
We're having narigi kafta, which is this. It's basically hard-boiled eggs wrapped in a very spicy minced lamb, deep fried and then cooked in the sauce, tomato sauce.
Very delicious.
The soup is Moroccan lamb soup. Again, we have minced lamb with a lot of spices, and this is very good. It's got mint leaves on top.
Yeah, I love it.
And
My favorite. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.